Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 14-inch V-part bob from Unice. Now this is what the hair is looking like on the inside. It comes with a bunch of clips, so this hair is going to be surely secured on your head when you guys are wearing it. Now I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what the V part is looking like. So with this unit you guys will have minimal leave out, and this is my braid down underneath of my V part that I'm going to be having. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. Now initially, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this wig fit a little too big on my head, not even gonna lie. I would say that is one of the cons that I had when putting on this wig that I really didn't like. And usually, you guys, I do have a small head, so the fact that it fit kind of big wasn't really pleasant to me when I did put it on. But other than that, everything else was fine. It was really secure. You guys don't have to use any bobby pins or anything like that. Like, the clips were fine. As you guys can see, there's like that little hump right there that I really was not feeling at all. That's why I kept on touching it. And you guys might see me touching it again throughout this video, because honestly, it was a little annoying because I tried to, again in the video, try to like smoothen it down with the flat iron, but you guys will see that later down in the video. So here, you guys, I'm just trying to put the wig on and adjust the clips to make sure that this wig is not going anywhere. And I'm not for sure if I forgot to mention, but this wig is straight out of the box, you guys. I did not even wash or shampoo this hair. I know, I was kind of in a rush. So in these next few clips, I am going to go ahead and straighten the hair. The rest of the clips are going to be a little bit sped up because it's kind of self-explanatory. I'm just going to be straightening the hair, show you guys how long it is. Again, it is 14 inches, so it is a little bit longer. So yeah. Although after straightening the hair, it is nice and soft and flowy. I did not like the fact that it was kind of thinning in the front right there. Like, usually when I have bobs, you guys, I want my bob to be like thick all around. That's my personal preference. If you guys like it like that, go right ahead. But later down in the video, I'll show you guys how I go ahead and fix that. But for these next few clips, I'm just going to go ahead and be straightening my hair. I'm straightening my hair on the lowest possible heat, as you guys can see. So yeah, in these next few clips, I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it. And if you guys made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of the wig so far. Since I've straightened it, this hair is so freaking flowy, nice and soft. During this clip, I'm going in with my, I don't even know what it's called, to be honest, you guys. I just know it's like a sleek stick to make your hair stay down because my hair is a little bit short at the top. So I went in with that just to make sure that there's no flyaways, and it really does make my hair really flat at the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that to both sides, because as you guys can see on that side, I don't know what was going on, but my hair was sticking up and I did not like that. So I went in some more with my sleek stick that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm not for sure what the name or the brand of it is, I'm sorry you guys, but yeah, you guys can always get one from your local beauty supply store if you do want to get one. Now this is what the hair looks like. In these next few clips, I'm gonna go in and cut it. I don't know, that front part and this unevenness right here is kind of bothering me a little bit. Like, it looks a little choppy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and take off a couple inches just because I want my bob to be thick all around. I didn't really like that thinness in the front. So in these next few clips, you guys are going to be seeing me cut my hair to make, or I guess get it to the length that I like. So yeah. Maybe all you Now, after I finished cutting this wig, you guys, I felt 100 times better about this hair, like not even gonna lie. It just looks so much fuller and thicker all around. So in these next few clips, I'm gonna go in and curl my hair. Even though it is in like a bob shape, I wanted to kind of go for like a wavy type of bob. I saw this girl on Instagram have it and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. So that look was low-key inspired for this video. So yeah, in these next few clips, I'm just gonna go in and curl my hair to get that wavy bob look. And as we're getting towards the end of the video, thank you, Unice, for sponsoring this video. This hair is so cute and perfect for the summertime. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in my next video.